In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Sound Booster to Chrome. If you've ever struggled with quiet videos, low-volume webinars, or soft background music, a Sound Booster extension can give you extra headroom and more precise control right inside your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome. From there, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions and the safest place to install them. In the store's search bar, type Sound Booster, increase volume up. You should see an option that's widely used, with a large user count, often around the couple million mark. High usage and solid reviews are good indicators that you've found the right one, though the exact numbers can change over time. Click on the listing to open its details page, then select Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to install it. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download it and handle the setup automatically. In just a moment, you should see a brief confirmation message letting you know the extension has been added. After the installation, it's helpful to make the extension easy to reach. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. Find Sound Booster in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the button visible on your toolbar so you can access it quickly whenever you need a volume boost. Many Sound Booster extensions let you raise volume significantly, sometimes up to 600%, and control audio on a per-tab basis. That means you can boost a quiet video in one tab without affecting music or calls in another. When using a booster, start modestly and increase the level gradually. If you hear the audio becoming harsh, muffled, or crackly, that's a sign you've pushed too far. Dial it back to protect your speakers and preserve sound quality. A few important tips before you go. Only install extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Avoid random download sites. Some boosters will request permission to access your tabs or audio so they can process the sound you're listening to. This is normal for this kind of tool. Finally, remember that excessive volume can cause distortion and could potentially damage speakers or headphones. Keep boosts reasonable and listen at safe levels. That's it. You've added a sound booster to Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and you know how to use it wisely. Enjoy clearer, louder audio where you need it, and keep things comfortable for your ears and your equipment.